This person is really lazy. They're making no effort to succeed. This judgment is based on a quick interpretation without truly knowing the person's situation. Maybe they're going through a tough time, lacking resources, or simply have a different approach to success. How can we transform this judgment into a kind observation? Well, instead of saying, this person is lazy, we can reframe it as, I noticed that this person acts differently than I would expect. Maybe there are reasons I am unaware of. This shift replaces criticism with curiosity and openness. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and get comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and allow your body to relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. One more time. Inhale deeply and let go. Simply observe your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving without trying to control it. Imagine that each breath anchors you in the present moment, a space where no judgment exists, only observation. Take a deep breath in through your nose and again let go slowly through your mouth. Bring your attention to a recent moment when you judge someone or maybe yourself. Perhaps a judgment about someone's appearance, behavior, or a self-critical thought. Without guilt or justification, observe this thought. Where does it come from? What sensation does it create in you? Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and let go. Do you feel tension, rejection, or discomfort? That's totally natural. Instead of blaming yourself, welcome this judgment gently. It's just a thought, and it's a learned conditioning. Imagine this judgment as a cloud floating in the sky of your mind. So just breathe. Inhale deeply and let go. You see, with each inhale, it drifts a little further away. And with each exhale, this judgment slowly disappears. Repeat internally. I release the need to judge. I release the need to judge. I welcome others and myself with kindness. I welcome others and myself with kindness. Every being follows their own path, and I choose to observe without criticizing. Every being follows their own path, and I choose to observe without criticizing. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more open, as if you're letting go of an unnecessary burden. Once again, inhale deeply and let go. Now, visualize a person you recently judged. Imagine them with kindness, understanding that, like you, they're doing the best with what they know and experience. With each inhale, replace judgment with acceptance. With each exhale, release all rigidity and criticism. If a judgment arises, acknowledge it and then let it go like a wave retreating. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel your body here and now, lighter, calmer. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Seeing with the heart rather than the mind transforms our perception of the world.